we're here at the newest bike shop here in Dubai.
Minsan siklista.
Madalas lover boy. Si Jose pa pinagdasal nyo.
What's happening, guys?
Teka guys, lipat ako sa likod. Puro babaero pala sa harap.
Sa amin ito, marami daw chicks dito sa amin.
Kaya pala dito ka dito. Good morning. We're in Dubai Harbor. We're doing a coffee ride with TP Cycling. We're back.
TP pa pala. Welcome back.
Tapos na ba yung ride?
Hindi pa. May nantay lang.
Hintay lang natin.
Jerry kasi, yung alarm.
Yan.
Ano ba cellphone mo? Para kasing Christian.
Baka-
Bakit ka na cellphone?
Pangit cellphone,
Pangit,
no?
di
Palit
nag-aalarm.
cellphone. Palit cellphone para mag-alarm. Kasi hindi mo narinig eh. Mahina yung volume ng mo. Alam nga. Kapal ng mukha mo, pre. Child labor. Child labor.
Bagong recruit ng TV, oh.
Ayan. Babayro ba ito, pre?
Para makakita ng girlfriend.
Yun yung requirement eh.
Nag-silent, sabi.
Yun yung requirement.
Babayaro ka ba? Sabi niya, pare.
We're just doing a simple coffee ride, going around parts of the Meadows, JLT, and Dubai Harbor. Right now we're in JLT. We'll do maybe around 40 today, and then have some coffee. Just a short one for the holiday, because we already did like a long one yesterday. Ooh, McDonald's. Not today. Ako nonce. Ano dito? Still the gym. I think we're going back to the Meadows now. Okay, we're back. Alright, done. We're now back in the meadows. Yo! So the ride is done. We're now here at the Meadows Village. We're here at the one of the newest bike shop here in Dubai. It's a bike shop and cafe, Ventum House. It's a cycling cafe and showroom for the Ventum brand. What's happening, everyone? Welcome to Ventum. We have our cafe area. Ventum House is a cycling shop with a specialty coffee. So we'd like to invite everyone. We have our cappuccino as well for dogs. We're dog-friendly cafe as well. And we have for kids with baby chinos, and we also have specialty coffee. So we have our gravel, we have our triathlon bike, we have our POC eyewear, we have our obsidian color with NV wheels, and of course, we have our NV wheels from lightweight aerodynamics, and we have our NS1, gravel, and Ventum 1. And of course we have our jersey, we have our Oakley eyewear, we have our NV handlebars, tires, POC shoes, and then some accessories and stuff. We have our services as well. Everyone, welcome. We have our outdoor scene. So this is the best spot here. Thank you guys, I'll see you around. Happy everyone, Anthony, the leader of Boon Cycling, the big boss, and the Flash from the other coffee shop.
We'll see you soon. Take care.
Hello guys, welcome to Ventum.
Ganito pala dito sa syudad mo. Probinsya kasi namin.
Sa
Ay, ano ko?
Mag-isa? Liming ko niya lang mga Walang sila hindi sa iyan. Kaso wala ako dati. Pag nakikita, sabi nga mo, bukas gumagamit ka ng yung mga purified.
Usapang barista to. Magbabarista na yata. Magbabarista na yata. Ikaw rin, magbabarista ka na?
Oo. Ano ako, bigod ni Chef.
Alright, let's go. Tapos na yung ano natin, vlog natin. Let's go. Thanks for watching. Close na natin. Andito si Jello eh. Pre, closing!
And all will be alright.